right, and welcome to Wednesday Raindrop Math. The things you will need for this activity are some type of counter and a mat. We're using these glass gems with the little mat that we have that's felt. And look who we have to help us with the weather today. It's Winnie the Pooh. Hey, little guy. Winnie the Pooh loves to talk about the weather, especially the rain, with his friends, like we learned in our story this week. You can cut a little hole in your bag of glass gems so that you can reach them. We're going to put our little sign over to the side, so we don't need that right now. Okay, count the raindrops. How many raindrops did I make? That's right, 3. Let's make 3 raindrops on our mat. 1, 2, 3. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. Now, let's use something to write with, and we're going to write the number 3. Now let's put our marbles away, back into our bag. Clean up every single time so it's nice and neat. Hi, Winnie. Thank you for helping us today. Okay, get ready for the next problem. Ready, set. Ready? Do it again. Okay, how many? Just 1. That's right, 1 raindrop. Now, do you know how to write the number 1? It's pretty easy, isn't it? Straight line down. That's it. That's all you have to do. 1 thunderclap equals 1 little raindrop. Look, 1. There's a better one. Now it's nice and dark. 1 raindrop. 1, the number 1. Now let's put that marble away. That one was easy. And get ready to hear the next thunderclap. Did you get that? Try it again. Good. How many did you hear? 1, 2. That's right. Put them down on your mat. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's write that. Around and stop and a straight line out. That's how you write the number 2. Around and stop and a straight line out. There's number 2. 2 raindrops for 2 thunderclaps. Good job. Let's put them back in. This is getting fun. You guys are really good at this game. Ready? Okay, did you hear that? Try it again. Wow, how many did you hear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that's right. Okay, let's lay out our marbles. Can you lay out 5 raindrop marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like our beats of thunderclaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, you did it. 5 raindrops looks like this. Now let's write the number 5. Are you ready? Straight down and around. Good. That's how you write it. Straight down and around. Good. It's good to practice tracing. This is number 5. 5 raindrops look like this. Okay, let's clean up our 5 raindrop marbles and put them back into our baggie. You know exactly what to do. Ready to listen? Repeat it with me last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, did you hear Miss Kristin was kind of counting along with my claps, my thunder claps? Okay, let's make that many raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you make that many on your board? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Good job. Let's write the number 6. 6 goes around, whoops, try it again. Around, 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 and stop. That's 6. Around, 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 and stop. That's the number 6. 6 looks like this. 6 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, let's clean up our marbles. Put them back into the baggie. They're so fun to play with. To be careful, if you drop some, you have to pick them up and be responsible. Now, one idea you could do is instead of using this wonky like bag, you could pour them into a bowl or a cup so that you could get them out easily. So Miss Kristin's going to use this little yellow cup and pour them in and have them ready to go. Are you ready for our next problem? Here we go. This is going to be a different style of problem. Now we're going to try it where Miss Kristin puts some raindrops out right above Winnie the Pooh's head. And I want you to tell me how many raindrops there are. We're not going to do the thunderclaps. You have to count them. Can you touch the screen or point to the screen and count? This is your turn. I'm not going to do it with you. You count. Okay, I'll practice counting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many did you get? Okay, let's check and make sure you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8? Yay! You're so smart at this. Okay, let's write the number 8. Scoot you up a little, Winnie the Pooh. Now we'll write 8. Oh, we love to write 8, don't we? Looks like a snowman. Goes a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom. There's his head and his little belly. Look, there's 8 for 8 raindrops right above Winnie's head. Good job, Winnie. Thanks, buddy. And put you over here to the side and scoop up all of our raindrops. You do your raindrops cleanup too. Put them back into your bag or your bowl or your cup. Do it again. Ready? Last time. Ready? Did you get it? Kind of had 3 fast ones, so we'll put them at the top together. 3 quick ones and 2 slow ones. So you see the quick ones? Okay, now it looks more like rain. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Did you get it right? 5 thunderclaps. So now you can put 5 raindrops down, and let's write it straight down and around. That's how we make a 5. 5 raindrops. Okay, we're going to do one more clapper. Are you ready for thunderclaps? Here we go. Do it again. Ready? Here we go. 1 slow and 2 fast. Okay, so did you get it? 1 slow and then 2 fast. We'll put those down at the bottom. Okay, how many is that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get it? Good job. 3. Okay, so let's write number 3. 3 goes around and stop, around and stop. Good. This is number 3. 3 raindrops. Whoa. And a thunder and an earthquake shattering. Now I have an extra credit idea for all of my big kids. Big kids, we know you know how to count and you know how to identify your numbers. But if we have a lot of extra marbles in here, so we can actually use these marbles as counters for multiplication problems and division problems. Let's say that we had this many raindrops over Winnie the Pooh's head. We could use multiplication to figure out a multiplication sentence for this and figure out the answer. There are 2 groups of 3 marbles or 3 raindrops. 1, 2, 3 on the top and 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. So how many would that be? That's right, you got it. It's 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Do you see that? That X in the middle stands for the word groups of, 2 groups of 3. Okay, let's try another one. Let's pretend it's a really rainy day and we have a big multiplication problem to solve. Let's write it first using our paper and our pencil. Pretend you had a hard quiz from your teacher and the problem said 4 times 5 or 4 groups of 5. That little X right there always stands for the word groups of. So 4 groups with 5 in each group. We have to start our first group and it has to have 5 in it. 1, 2, whoops, we didn't count that. It's okay, 4 groups. So that's 1 group of 5. Now here's our second group of 5. 3, 4, and 5. So 2 groups of 5. So we slide everything down. Okay, now Miss Kristin quick made 4 groups of 5 because my big kids are smart. 5 on the top row, 5 on the next row, 5 in the third row, and 5 in the fourth row. Now, let me show you one extra really neat idea for you to solve your multiplication problems. Before we answer this question, let's just count. Wait, how many in each row again? 5, right? So that reminds me of our song. It goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So there's 5 in the first row. So we can count that as 5. Now, how many in the second row? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's write 15 here. And what comes after 15? Our last 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. So let's write 20. Did you get it? That's right. Okay, it's the same thing as if we counted 5, 10, 15, 20. We would get 20. 4 groups of 5 equals 20. So 4 times 5 is the same thing. 4 groups of 5, 4 times 5. It equals 20. You have to count by 5s 4 times. Good job. You solved that multiplication problem. See, you can use these. Oh, look if we mess it up. That's okay. They don't have to be all organized. They can be beautiful raindrops. Isn't that funny? Good job. There's still 4 groups of 5. Well, there's still 20 anyways. They're not really in groups, are they? So we still have to clean up our area. Now put them back into your bag if you're going to store them there, or have mommy or daddy help you to put them back in a cup or a special place. Always clean up our mess, right? Now we have one really fun extra credit problem. Maybe you should even get your mommy and daddy for this one. How many raindrops are there? 1, 2, 3, go! That's a lot of raindrops. Can you count them? That would be a little bit tricky, wouldn't it? We could count them very slowly, but it would take a whole long time. These little sequins are fun, but we're not going to use those to count because that would be a mess. Anyway, I have had a lot of fun with you today. Let's see if Mr. Winnie the Pooh, can you maybe help me just a little bit, Mr. Winnie the Pooh? And I have a lot of work today, so can you help me clean this up? Yes? Oh, good. That's a good news. Okay, so maybe he can kind of sweep them up with his feet like this. Oh my, this is going to take us a while. Well, this is going to have to take a while. I guess I'll see you later. Good job today. Thanks for helping me. You did great. Bye-bye.